Hello 18, non-stop supporting with SB19 Taiwanese 18. Ito nga nag-post ang isa sa mga 18 at supporter ng SB19 na talaga namang nagpapahiwatig na suportado nila ang SB19 sa first concert sa Asia sa Taiwan. Ngayong June 29 na po yan sa Zip New Taipei. As first Asian country na magka-concert ang SB19 simula at wakas. Ang Taiwanese 18 fan page na GetWIG sabi sa English translation, "You can't buy ticket or the 18 that just entered the pit recently. Your screams and expectant eyes like Stell's beautiful high notes like Pablo's and Jo's perfect hum like sweet calm Justin's cute face. Like Ken's bass overlap just like editor's own Ken go straight into the air." At iba pang positive feedback at words para sa ating SB19. Galing yan sa mga Taiwanese casual at fans na sumusuporta sa ating nag-iisang King of P-Pop SB19. Here's another reminder from Taiwanese 18. All the 18 who have bought the concert ticket, you can collect your ticket at IBON kiosk now o Ibon kiosk now. To all the VIP, make sure you will have 2 tickets and please bring both tickets for the soundcheck event and benefit to redeem. Lastly, but not least, to those who have successfully bought the concert tickets, also known as the chosen ones, here are some reminders and timetable of the show day.